Meanwhile, there appears to be some good news on the vaccine front in India, where the Bharat Biotech has announced Phase-3 results for Covaxin. Now, according to the company, the vaccine has demonstrated nearly about 81% interim efficacy, and the participants received a vaccine or a placebo in a 1:1 ratio. The trials were conducted on nearly about 25,800 people between the age groups of 18 to 98. This included 2,433 people over the age of 60 and other 4,500 people who had other comorbidities. The Hyderabad-based company claims that it is the largest ever COVID vaccine trial that has been conducted in India. The trial was conducted in partnership with the Indian Council of Medical Research.
The EPR has logged the clinical trial on 28th of February, and they analyzed everything with biostatistician, and they gave this data to Drug Safety Monitoring Board about 2 o'clock, and we just got to know the data, that our efficacy data clearly indicating around, the trend indicating around 80.6. So 80.6 is our efficacy data as we got from the DSMB, and we are disclosing to the public at large. And we are happy, whatever the data has come is a data. So we have to share that to public. But remaining detailed analysis will be subject expert committees will be presented.
Now, an analysis from the National Institute of Virology has indicated that vaccine-induced antibodies can neutralize the UK variant of the strain and other heterologous strains. And this has come as a welcome relief, as many are concerned about the efficacy of the vaccines against the new strains of the virus. More than 40 nations internationally have expressed their interest for Covaxin. These countries claim that they are highly satisfied with the safe, inactivated vaccine technology that is being used. Bharat Biotech is a global leader in developing vaccines for infectious diseases that has said that clinical trials will continue through to the final analysis at 130 confirmed cases in order to gather more data and to further evaluate the efficacy of the Covaxin vaccine.
I'm very happy to wish you all and greet you all very warmly this day, because this has been a day of a remarkable journey with Bharat Biotech announcing our interim data for the human Phase-3 efficacy trials that were done in India for the first time, the largest trial ever to be conducted in about 26,000 human volunteers.
The Covaxin and the AstraZeneca vaccines were approved by India's regulator in the month of January and are currently being administered across the nation in a COVID-19 vaccination drive. And interestingly, India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday opted to be administered the Covaxin vaccine. Now, having delivered more than 4 billion doses of the vaccines worldwide, Bharat Biotech has developed vaccines for influenza, H1N1, rotavirus, Japanese encephalitis, rabies, chikungunya, Zika, amongst many other infectious diseases. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.